reply to the queen. The next day the king went to the summer place. Did Mama tell you prepare a feast for my yesterday? It was a lie. Mama gave me your message yesterday. The queen answered. Mama said maybe the king will come here by noon. Maybe he won't. And what does that mean? Tell me for sure. I told Mama, but Mama said I can't tell you for sure. I don't know whether the king put her right foot in the slipper or whether he put his left foot on the ground again after I left. So we just waited for you yesterday, but you didn't come. When the king came here, he was making a bet. He agreed the Mama was really a wise man who only spoke what he saw with his own eyes. Nothing more, nothing less.
Very good.
Knock, knock, knock. Someone was knocking on the door of the inn. It was a lady getting down outside. Who's there? The innkeeper called down within. I am too tired, merchant. I want to take the night at the inn. Said the man outside. The innkeeper was okay to her that
सबने ध्यान देना है.
but all of a sudden, the opened the door and brought him inside. The merchant wore simple garments and carried only a simple cloth bag on his back. I have spent a long
अगला लड़का लड़की
at the market.
किसी को आना है पर्टिकुलर पढ़ना अच्छा चाहिए.
Knocking on the door of the inn with around six with the instrument of I am a poor merchant. I with the
I see what.
and the inn said the man around. Someone was knocking on the door of the inn. It was already getting dark outside. Who is there? The imperial calling from
थोड़ा आवाज बढ़ा.
poor that merchant. I begged to
आगे आओ.
spend the night at night inside. The man outside the imperial was not pleasant to her that the man was poor, but all the same the
थोड़ा slow बढ़िए.
allowed him inside. The merchant wore simple garments and tied only a simple cloth bag on his back. I have spent a long digging day at the market. I don't have the energy to walk back to my place. Please offer a simple dinner of 3 eggs, said the merchant. The imperial just nodded and went back to the kitchen. What's the point in serving such bakery customers? Is called in himself a merchant, but not at the close book. At his back, his shoes are all worn out. He has to carry his merchandise himself. Connect upon a servant.
तुझे पेंसिल का
King of which I was stronger than any man that eats. When my figure reached the man was around out of his belly, don't forget that man. I know intelligent than you are, that if away they can hunt you or cooperate you. They won't begin to go about how more greater. At last the man took the lion to a statue in a big garden. It saw the great hunt, standing proudly with a deep lion at his feet. She did statue thought that men were greater pregnant than men, not at all. The lion replied currently, this only saw that the statue was man great. A man if lion man statue allowed to the lion, terrier and the many living deep number is perform this story. We can see that the story depends on the storyteller. Then someone else tells the same story. They tell it from their point of view.
Very nice. teach you how to learn. 2.2 The lion, the man and the statue. Long ago, man and animal could talk to each other. Once a man and a lion got talking. The lion was very proud of his strength. I am the king of beasts. I am stronger than any man. That is why men fear me. The man was also proud of his intelligence. That men are more intelligent than you are. That is why they can hunt you or capture you. They both began to argue about who was greater. At last, the man took the lion to a statue in a big garden. It showed the great hero Hercules standing proudly with a dead lion at his feet. See, the statue proves that men are greater, claimed the man. Not at all, the lion replied quickly. This only shows that the statue was made by a man. If lions made a statue, they would show the lion standing and the man lying dead under his paws. From this story, we can see that the story depends on the storyteller. When someone else tells the same story, they tell it from their point of view. While we are going to reading the story, the lesson, the poem, there should be tuning. There should be tone, and while we are going to read the lesson, paragraph, our reading speed should be in these points. जेव्हा आपण वाचन करताना आपलं जे ट्युनिंग आहे तो मोठ्या आवाजामध्ये पाहिजे, तेव्हा our reading should be effective. थैंक यू. आज का जो पीरियड था वो इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट का था और इस पीरियड में अपने रीडिंग ये जो स्किल है ये आपने डेवलप किया है. तो हर दिन अपने 10 पंक्तियां पढ़ना है.